Physical changes after becoming pregnant may cause moms to feel anxious today. We're sharing a way to care for your skin with Stretch Mark Cream from Pappu. A special stretch mark cream formula designed especially for pregnant mothers, helping to restore smoothness to stretch marked areas like the belly, arms, or legs with 100% natural ingredients, safe and free from parabens. Contains aloe vera, rich in vitamin E to deeply moisturize beneath the skin's surface. Blended with natural olive oil to enhance skin elasticity and prevent new stretch marks from forming. Finished off with shea butter to repair the skin and restore a healthy appearance. Easy to use, just apply to the desired area, gently massage in circular motions, use morning and evening consistently. Stretch marks will fade, and your skin will become soft, smooth, and long-lastingly moisturized. Caution: for external use only. Do not use if the seal is broken. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.